Okay, now let's us see how we can simplify a rational expression or a product. So first thing we should do for A, we have 3 minus P over P minus 3 is equal to, I can see here that I have P3, P3. I just should manipulate one of them, the top one or the bottom one, to be the same thing so we can cross it out. So this is equal to minus P plus 3 over P minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 times P minus 3 over P minus 3. And you can see this minus came from minus 1 times minus, it will give us plus. And minus 1 times P, it will give us minus P. So we have P minus 3, we just can reduce it. And we will end up with minus 1. Good. For B, 7k minus 1 over 3k times 1 over 1 minus 7k. Same thing here. I have 7k, 1, 1. So I should manipulate one of them to be the same so I can reduce it. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 7k over 3k times 1 over 1 minus 7k, which is same as minus 1 times 1 minus 7k over 3k times 1 over 1 minus 7k. And now, because this is a multiplication, it is same thing as you have just one single division. So this times this divided by this times this. Let me write it so you can see it. So this is minus 1 minus 7k times 1 divided by 3k times 1 minus 7k. Now I can cross out 1 minus 7k because I have it at the top and the bottom, so I can just remove it. So I will end up with minus 1 over 3k. Now for my permissible value, for the first question, my not permissible, like I am not allowed to have a 0 at the bottom, which mean P minus 3 should be different than 0. And that's exactly what I will do. Let me draw a line. Okay, for non-permissible value, for A, no permissible value. So for A, P minus 3 should be different than 0, which means that P should be different than 3. For B, 3k should be different than 0 and 1 minus 7k should be different than 0. Why? Because this should not be 0 and this should not be 0. Which means that k should be different than 0 and 7 and k should be different than 1 over 7. Perfect.